Okay, so let's start. We still have people coming in, but it's not fair for all of you that are here in time to wait. So we're starting our weekly webinar. They call Interactive Trading Conversation. My name is Simon Friedman. I'm one of the senior account managers at AvaTrade. A few words about my experience. I've been involved in trading since June of 2000 when I came to Wall Street as a prop trader. And I've done that for about 11 years, and then I moved away from intense prop day trading process, and I started to mentor and educate others. And of course, I still trade. I love trading; it's my passion. And currently, I'm very happy that I can assist our customers at AvaTrade. The agenda of the webinar, it's very important. I see some new people, so please pay attention. We're here to ask specific questions about specific markets. It could be anything. It could be specific currency pair or commodity or equities, the stocks, anything that you trade with AvaTrade. You can ask questions. We'll discuss it. We'll take a look at the chart. If I know any fundamentals about that instrument, I'll be happy to share with you. It's all, of course, public information. So that's it, pretty much. That's what we try to do. We have about an hour or up to an hour. Sometimes we run out of questions. I still don't know why. And if we run out of questions before the time, we're going to wrap it up. And I would really appreciate if the questions just coming in nonstop. That would be great. It keeps us all busy and energized. You have a risk warning statement. You can find it at avatrade.com site. And what we do here, of course, is purely educational. These are the channels that you could follow and subscribe to. We have Telegram, we have Twitter, which is X now, and my favorite YouTube channel where you can find a lot of things, educational material, market reviews. You have all the webinars that we do are being recorded and posted on YouTube. So please, if you are watching this on YouTube, subscribe. Click on likes, of course, only if you like it, and feel free to share. And that's it pretty much. We're going to move now to the trading platform. This is MT4. I also have MT5 in case we need it. MT5 has more instruments. Okay, guys. So again, just to repeat, let's ask specific questions into the markets. For just give an example, somebody wants to know about gold. So you just type the question here in the question window, and I'm going to read it aloud. Again, I just want to tell you, I have my principles. I do not fake questions, so I'm not going to fake questions just to keep you here. So it's all up to you, and that was the whole idea of this webinar that I come up with, that it gives us ability to ask questions and discuss it. It's not just me presenting to you. I have other webinar that I do over the weekend that I prepare for a few hours, and then I do market reviews. And that's just me speaking. There's no participation. So I realized that I want to do the opposite, that not the opposite, but the other way around, that you ask the question, something that you specifically would like to know and understand and discuss. And I'm just feedback based on what you're asking. So again, we can go as long as we're having questions and up to an hour. And we can start now. Please go ahead with the first question. And again, let's keep those questions coming. So also think about other people that will be watching this on the YouTube, so they'll benefit from it as well. All right. Okay, guys, we're ready for the question. Who's going to be the brave one? And again, don't feel shy. Don't feel weird. Just write the questions about the markets that you'd like to know about. Linus, I'm not sure about your question. Market times across board. What do you mean? What are you asking? All right. Johannes is asking, as a beginner, how do I choose the instrument to trade? Again, this is not for this webinar, but in the absence of other questions that on the topic. First of all, if you do have an account with us, you can contact your account manager, set up a meeting, and discuss it with him. And basically, I can share with you a few things. You need to, first of all, like what you trade. I'll give you an example. I have some customers from South Africa. They trade of local currency, South African rand. Also, they like to trade indices, U.S. indices. A lot of them trading Nasdaq. I have people in UK that like to trade pound, and I tell you why. Something that you like, that you actually have a feeling about, at least some knowledge, right? You go to the store, you can feel it. Is there inflation? Are you overpaying for your groceries? Is it getting cheaper? Is it getting more expensive? Also, some people in the Middle East and Canada and other places, they like to trade oil because some of them actually know the industry or maybe even work in the industry. So first of all, you need to connect to that instrument in a way. You're not going to fall in love with it, and really, but just have some understanding fundamentally what it represents. And then we come to a monetary part of it. You need to know, how much money you're planning on using in trading. So people with limited finances or lower side of the equity like to trade currency because they have higher leverage, so they can trade more for less, and so on. Also, you need to take into consideration the times, which time zone you live in, what hours are you available for trading, if that's day trading. If it's swing or investing or midterm, it's not really important. You can place trade or put the pending order. But if you're an active trader, you need to see what's tradable during the hours that you can dedicate to trading. Right. So those are a few of the aspects. There's more, of course. You can speak with your account manager again, and they can help you understanding things and connect to it. All right. I hope it works. Okay, guys. I still didn't get the questions on the market. So are we gonna have questions, or should we say goodbye till next week? Again, just to give an example, all you have to do, think of something that you'd like to trade, and then just type the questions like, what about gold? What about euro dollar? What about oil? Or I think this is going there, or anything that's on your mind. And this is the purpose of this webinar, because if we're not having questions, I think it's either, I really don't know what the reason is. So I will need to think of maybe canceling this webinar, or maybe changing the hours, or to do something different, because I don't understand how people are coming in, and I have to squeeze them for the questions. Linus, you specifying your question, how does the trading times in Ava correspond to other markets? If the other markets are open, they also open on Ava, because here you trade CFDs. So if the US indices are opened, then the CFDs for those indices are tradable at AvaTrade. And of course, the Forex market is open, and anything else. So we just give you the platform that enables you to trade what's tradable, but the source of those trades coming from the source. If it's stocks, so that's the times of New York Stock Exchange that opens at 9:30 a.m. and closes at 4 p.m. and so on. The European indices, there are Asian indices, their stocks, and so on. So you need to find out the times of those instruments. Okay, I see more people coming in, so I would appreciate, again, I'm going to repeat it. We're here to ask specific questions on the specific markets. And I want you to feel free and ask the question that you'd like to discuss and get an understanding about specific instrument. It could be commodity, it could be index, it could be specific stock. Anything that you have questions about that's tradable on AvaTrade, you can feel free to ask. Okay, we'll give it another chance. Okay, guys, I think I tried, and I don't get any questions. So it was a very short webinar. I was able to answer some technical questions, but still didn't get any specific market questions. So I want to wish everyone a good evening, good day, wherever you are, and we should be back next week. Take care.